Hey guys, today I'm making a semolina or soji cake. In a pot on high heat, add in your butter or margarine and allow it to melt. Then add in the semolina and mix constantly till it turns a light golden brown color. Then add in the milk as well as the sugar and mix till the sugar dissolves. Remove it from the heat and allow it to cool slightly. Then add in the coconut, baking powder, flour, ground cardamom, and eggs. If you're looking to make an eggless cake, simply leave out the eggs. Mix well till the flour is completely incorporated. Use a spatula to scrape down the sides of the pot and transfer the batter into a greased baking pan. I'm using a 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter baking tray and it's about 5 centimeters high. Sprinkle on the flaked almonds. You could also use slivered or chopped almonds. And for a bit of color, I've added on some colored almonds. This, of course, is completely optional. Bake in a 180-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes or till the top is golden brown. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool slightly, and it's ready to serve. This cake is best served warm. Enjoy!